Hello everyone. Do you have a blood pressure monitor at home? But are you really using it correctly? If you listen to what I have to share today until the end, your blood pressure monitor will become much more than just a measuring device. It will become a life-saving medical tool. I'll also reveal some shocking facts that even doctors don't always explain. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like. I'll keep providing information to help you live a healthier life. Let's start with a shocking fact. According to the American Heart Association, up to 70% of people measure their blood pressure at home incorrectly. This isn't just about getting inaccurate numbers, it can lead to serious mistakes. Like thinking you have normal blood pressure when you actually have high blood pressure, or vice versa, which can result in unnecessary medication. Even scarier, incorrect blood pressure measurement causes tens of thousands of people to miss early warning signs of heart attacks and strokes every year. So what should you do? First, timing is crucial. Many people measure their blood pressure at random times, but this is completely wrong. Blood pressure can fluctuate by 30 to 40 mmHg throughout the day. The most accurate times to measure are within 1 hour of waking up and before going to bed. Morning blood pressure is especially important because most heart attacks and strokes occur between 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. Second, preparation matters, and most people don't know this. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and caffeine for at least 30 minutes before measuring. Just a little nicotine can raise your blood pressure by more than 20 mmHg. Rest for 5 minutes before taking your measurement. Never measure right after climbing stairs or walking fast. Third, posture is everything. Sit in a chair with your back supported. Don't cross your legs, keep your feet flat on the floor. Crossing your legs can raise your blood pressure by 5 to 10 mmHg. Keep your arm at heart level. If your arm is lower, your blood pressure will read higher. If it's higher, it will read lower. This difference can be as much as 5 to 10 mmHg. Fourth, cuff placement is where most mistakes happen. Place the cuff 2 to 3 cm above your elbow crease. If it's too loose, your reading will be high. If it's too tight, it will be low. There should be room for one finger between the cuff and your arm. Always measure on bare skin. Measuring over clothing will give inaccurate results. Fifth, frequency and recording. Many people measure only once a day, but this is not enough. Measure 2 or 3 times in the morning and evening and take the average. The first reading is often higher, so wait 1 minute between measurements and take the average of 2 or 3 readings. Always keep a record. Note the date, time, systolic and diastolic pressure, and pulse. These records help your doctor make accurate diagnoses and treatment decisions. Sixth, choosing the right blood pressure monitor. Mercury blood pressure monitors are the most accurate, but they're difficult to use at home. For home use, choose an electronic monitor, but not all are the same. Upper arm monitors are more accurate than wrist monitors. Wrist monitors can be less accurate because your wrist is farther from your heart and has smaller blood vessels. Always choose a monitor certified by health authorities or with international certification. Some low-cost monitors can have errors of more than 20 mmHg. Seventh, use hidden features. Modern monitors have useful features like irregular heartbeat detection, average calculation, and memory. Irregular heartbeat detection is especially important for early detection of arrhythmia, which is a major risk factor for stroke. Eighth, don't ignore warning signs. If your systolic pressure is over 180 mmHg or your diastolic pressure is over 110 mmHg, it's a hypertensive crisis. Go to the hospital immediately. If your blood pressure suddenly rises or falls by more than 20 mmHg compared to your usual readings, this is also a warning sign. If you experience headache, dizziness, or chest tightness, be extra careful. Ninth, take care of your monitor. Check its accuracy every 1 or 2 years. Compare it with readings at your doctor's office, or use the manufacturer's calibration service. Clean the cuff regularly and store the device away from shocks. Replace the batteries regularly to ensure accurate readings. 10th, customized measurement for each family member. Older adults may have orthostatic hypotension, so measure both sitting and standing. If there's a difference of more than 20 mmHg, consult your doctor. Pregnant women should measure more often starting from the 2nd trimester. Pregnancy-induced hypertension can be dangerous for both mother and baby. Children and teenagers may need a pediatric cuff, as adult cuffs may not fit properly. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate goal of blood pressure management. A blood pressure monitor is not just a tool for checking numbers. It's a lifeline that protects your cardiovascular health and helps prevent stroke and heart attack. Regular and accurate blood pressure measurement can help you detect and manage high blood pressure early, reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease by more than 60%. This is even more effective than quitting smoking or losing weight. If you follow the tips I shared today, your home blood pressure monitor will be used to its fullest potential, and most importantly, it will become a reliable partner in protecting your health and your family's health. If you want more information for a healthier life, please subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please like and share your experiences in the comments. Wishing you a healthy tomorrow. Thank you.